All you who love scenery with me, come along to the grand county Leitrim of story and song. Its lakes of pure crystal and valleys so fair, and the heather-capped mountains of beauty so rare. The high hills of Breffni I'll show you around, where the call of the wild duck and woodcocks around, where the thrush and the blackbird are singing so gay, round the historic places of famed Creevalay. For beauty and scenery there's none to compare with the pleasant surroundings of sweet Dromahair, where O'Rourke's ancient castle is saved from decay, and there's lovely Glencar just a few miles away. We'll go to Drumshanbo for sport and folklore, and we'll see Slieve Nairn and lovely Sheemore, that hill where the luminous cross stands so clear, to recall to our memories the Marian year. I'll take you to Fana, and it's there you will find that grand ancient abbey St. Keelan designed, where our forefathers prayed that their flag be unfurled, and their sons preach the gospel all over the world. We'll stroll by the Shannon, that gem of the West, and we'll see where the great Finn McCool lies to rest. We'll go on to Selton, that hill of great fame, where those men died for Ireland and the flag of Sinn Féin. Or fishing you won't find a place in the land to compare with Loch Allen, Loch Melvin, Loch Brand. And the people of Leitrim are friendly and kind, and to be of assistance are always inclined. Our county's well known for its green woods and dells, and its beautiful scenery all love so well. And we'll welcome all tourists who look for the best. So come visit Leitrim, the pride of the West. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's hear it for Jimmy Joe Dolan. Come on. Thank you very much, Jimmy. Woo.
Anyway.